Welcome to the Offsite Experiences of PMDP. PMDP, Procurement Managers Development Program, is the talent development program for procurement managers. The Offsite Experiences are a two-day adventure where procurement meets its internal customers and partners. Our customers and partners benefit from the expertise and best practices of talented procurement actors coming from all divisions and business units from the group. For the PMDPs, it is an eye-opening challenge. They listen and understand their internal customers' needs, share and explain their procurement expertise. They go look and see on the Gemba, field of action, enabling them to propose an adapted solution in a very short time. It is also the opportunity for them to meet new partners such as startuppers, coaches, students, bringing a fresh mindset. Always key on topics such as innovation or digitalization, for example.